President Trump returns back to White House. What has that got to do with the financial market? What it has to do is that the trust in United States dollar is restored. So we like to look at some key areas of break and retest that was earlier mentioned in our previous post. I made mention of a breakout in this zone where you have a very strong easy break and a retest. So it's a structure. The structure started from here, break of a support structure, price returns on retest, retest 1, retest 2, retest 3, and broke the structure. So this is it. And if we are looking for confluence to back, we have here another support structure. So we have here double support structure. So we have here a breaker from the descending trend line, retest 1, retest 2, price bought, and return here we have double confluence at 704, 706. And before that, we had an ascending trend line connecting from the previous high, and we had a breakout from that structure. Very clean ascending trend line, make it blue. So we have here resistance structure, break of a resistance structure, retest, retest. Now remains the support structure, retest, and is another retest, and another retest. One, two, three, 4, 5. Demand floor. So we like to use the word DF to make it simple, and so DF stands for demand floor. So these are all demand floor. So break of a demand floor becomes a supply roof, and we'll be watching out. We have these on 4 hours to see when the structure will be broken. So once our demand floor is broken, especially 4 hours demand floor with a structural character that held price firmly, a break of it, look for retest. Now you can see that this becomes arrest, resistance becomes support and break of structure. What we are looking out for is double confluence. As much as we are trading the structure of the market, irrespective of the fundamental analysis, we're looking out for confluence. We are looking for evidence. Where we find evidence is where we anchor. And on the flip side, we have another resistance structure, and the price has failed to breach this roof. So that resistance structure, you can see it. Resistance structure, break of a resistance structure, price return, broke, the structure, support structure, price remain on resistance, trading on resistance, and there we go. So if you switch to 1 hour, you will see a retest here before the structure was broken. So you will find the structure on 1 hour, you will see a retest because we're using 4 hours time frame. So you might not be able to see retest of 1 hour candles. But if you switch to 1 hour after making your 4 hours chart, you will see the retest at this level, you will see the retest at this level, and a breakout of this structure, the support structure, which is a demand floor, returns the market to supply roof. So we have here as a supply roof. Okay. So we have demand floor. SROF becomes our new logo, supply roof. So when a support structure is broken on retest, it becomes a supply roof. So we have here double confluence. That was why on the bearish impulse price has bought from here. So let's look out for another confluence. We're looking for confluence. Let us look at our ascending trend line acting as dynamic support, a heavyweight rejection, here with another heavyweight rejection. We have here is an ascending trend line that have been so kind and nice to us. The structure came from here. The structure came from here. So we have here you can see support structure. That's a demand floor. So we put here demand floor, break of a demand floor, price returns as supply roof, SRF. SRF is our supply roof. So you see price returns here on supply roof and so significantly 3 times. So break of a supply roof, price returns on demand. Demand one, demand two. This was what led to current all-time high. And when price came back, it broke the structure and retested a broken demand floor becomes a supply roof. So we return back here on supply roof. So on technical, gold will continue to sell, showing that dollar status as backed by trust restored following the bullish and the hawkish body stance of President Trump. Trump have couple of reforms to return America to its lost glory, and we believe he will do it. He is not a man that say and fail to do. So in 4 hours, we have price come down to this level. We have 4 hours break and retest at this level. And when you look at this, we're looking for another confluence as to why price has maintained breaking that structure and possibly retesting it. If you look here critically, you will find a very strong support structure. You can see the structure, 4 hour structure. This is support structure, break of a support structure, retest. So let's take this out. So now what we expect now is for price to return here for a buy based on the structure of the market. Gold will drop at least up to 1,000 pips. It is what it is. And we're having this. So let's clone this roof. So this becomes our new supply roof. And at the bottom is our demand floor. So these are the two levels of defense that await gold. And we are going to watch how price reacts at this level. Will the price action hold? Will demand floor rescue buyers and set up a bullish drive in the market? We have here as our demand floor. After a break of structure, price returns here to create a demand floor while we maintain a supply roof. Supply roof 1, supply roof 2, supply roof 3. What does that mean? A descending channel. Every time price touches on the roof is a sell, price touch on the floor is a buy, and a break of the structure. What structure was broken? A supply roof that tested market 1, 2, 3, 4. Break of structure, price returns what? On demand floor. So when a supply roof is broken, price returns on retest as demand floor. So when price broke out from the descending channel, it came down, tested the roof two times, used it as a demand floor for uptick. I expect price to return here. So on a more serious note, I want price to return here, and this is not about whether you like it or not. Gold is coming to this angle. It's coming here. So we don't know if we are going to have another heavy bearish leg from what we had today. If we will have such bearish leg tomorrow and maybe drive into the end of the week, that is also possible. So I think let us narrow our trade to this position to keep our mind glued to what matters and watch out for possible reaction in the market and take reaction, observation, and lesson if there need be. So the market is quite structured, well calibrated, irrespective of the fundamental analysis that it presents. These are demand floor, these are demand floors. Break of a demand floor, price returns on supply roof, and I have a demand floor at the bottom, patiently waiting for price action. At this level, ladies and gentlemen, if price returns here, it's a buy. So we'll be looking out for more drop as the market has messed with possible support structures. We have no option other than to put our mind on severe lows where you look for opportunity to enter a buy. We want price to return to this level and it might reclaim its position. So if price returns here on 4 hours tomorrow, we'll be seeing ourselves in the zone of 2,904.350 into, and let's see if we have other confluence to that. Yes, we do have a confluence at that level. We have a confluence, a strong rejection week bearing us weakness, but I do like to wait for price at the real retest level. The real retest level here is 94 into 98. So it will be a good time to wait for price at this level. To be a good time. So allow price to get into this box. If price get into this box, feel free because we have double confluence. I have a strong rejection candle. I want to take recognizance of this level, 2,599, where price may dip itself into 2,594 points. Price might dip itself down into this level, then do something that we already know. So if price dips itself into this level, then we want to see that the blue and the purple zone fulfilled. We want to see it fulfilled. We want to see it fulfilled. So let's see if price comes here and into our orange box, and we have it orange and purple. So if we see price into that level, that will make a whole lot of sense. From 2,600 into 2,594 for a buy. We have a very strong price action on the left where we have a resistance structure, break of a resistance structure. Price response on demand is within the zone. So I do not want to shape this too much, but I believe that price will return here in this zone, maybe. So this is what we have. I don't want to go into 606 because 606 didn't come into my box. I want a retest into this box. I want a retest. So my retest zone is from 2,594 into 2,599. And the next retest where we have a very strong floor. Again, another demand floor from a break of structure is in the zone of 2,551.968. So if price returns here, honestly, it's a buy on a very strong fundamental footnote. So Thursday, entire of Thursday, let's see the entire Thursday how it goes. Entire Thursday, we will bank on this. So if price dips again and come here, it will have, there's a probability that price will do exactly what it did here. Exactly what you are seeing here. There's a very big probability that you have another thing like this in this zone for the market to set again. The probability is very high. So Trump wants to restore America back again. What does that mean? That the DXY greenback sentiment returns on a bullish pedestal. If that happens, AUD JPY will be in trouble. Automatic sell. USD JPY will be a buy. Euro USD will be a sell. USD CAD will be a buy. AUD USD will be a sell. USD ZAR will be a buy. GBP USD will be a sell. So the price action is setting up to strengthen the greenback. And when the greenback is strengthened, other currencies feel the impact in the financial markets. So this is what we have for this man, and we believe that price will play into this breakout from this descending trend to test the roof. The roof has been tested before, so I want price to return back and test it again for me. It will do it. Look at the channel resistance structure. It becomes a supply roof. SROF, supply roof, break of a supply roof, demand floor, price will return here. So